Okay guys, what I got here is a massive crack in my intake boot. Today I'm going to be trying to fix that out with some JB Weld. But first, I'm going to get that thing clean so that stuff can stick to it. Just going to spray this area with some Super Tech that I got from Walmart. Try to get all the grease off of that before I lay down some of that JB Weld steel stick. My handy dandy brush. Still some grease up in there, so I'm gonna repeat this process a few more times. We'll let it sit for a moment. Now I am ordering a new one of these pieces. It's just gonna take about 3 to 6 days to get here. And in the meantime, I don't want this giant leak because I can see that at least one of these tubes head towards the crankcase. And I'm gonna guess if there's any more pressure in there than there is, that will just probably help with my valve gaskets leaking. And that's the last thing I need right now is just more oil going to my spark plug. Alright guys, now that I got the surface area all cleaned, this is what I'm choosing to use to patch up that intake tube. I'll kind of show you guys what I do with it, what I'm going to do with it, if you guys aren't too familiar with this product. Alright, put that back. Alright, so there's two parts to this. All it has to do is just mix together. Once it mixes, you have about 2-3 minutes to, well, let's see, the instructions right here say 3 to 5 minutes before it gets hardened up. So, twist, fold.
Twist, fold. Pretty sure you guys get the picture. Once you get this uniform color, nice gray, then you know you mixed in, at least my experience. Mix this for another 10 seconds. And I'm gonna put this on the car. One nice, continuous, consistent gray. Flatten it out a little bit. Alright, that's kind of like the shape I need. It's getting kind of warm. Alright.
So the crack is right there. Kind of, yep, it's about 2 inches long. Just gonna place this right over that leak.
Real one now. Around that way. Around that way. A little bit this way. Just wanted to cover the hole. I don't want it to go into the hole, so I'm not going to apply too much force directly over that. Just place force around it. Alright.
I think that will solve my problem for now. Just gonna let that cure, and maybe in about an hour or so I'll try to start up the car. Alright, it's time to put this battery in. I'm not gonna undo this red cap until the car's ready to be started, but I just want this sitting in here ready to rock. Just that much closer to getting started.